Hi everyone, I'm Jackie and you're watching Lowe's How To Anything. Today I'm going to show you how doing something as simple as installing new doorknobs or handles to a cabinet can turn a basic cabinet into a stylish cabinet and can also add a personal touch into your space. So I'm going to take you step by step on how to properly install your knobs and handles to a new cabinet. First, we're going to be installing a knob, but the thing to keep in mind when you're installing knobs or handles is placement. So I found a really cool trick. You just grab some mounting putty and you put it on the back of your knob. This way you can visualize where you want it on your cabinet without drilling any holes or making any marks on your nice new cabinet. So you just put it where you think you want it, you squeeze it tight, and look at that. You can take a step back now and see if you want it higher or lower. Now that we have our knob exactly where we want it, we're gonna replace the knob with a piece of tape so that we can make our mark. Instead of taking a measuring tape and measuring each and every cabinet to get the right mark, I love that we have this mounting template. It makes things super easy. You just put it on your door like this and line it up, and you can make the perfect mark with all of these holes. You have options where you want it and you mark it perfectly. And then when you take this off, you could just put it on all the rest of your cabinets so your knobs will align perfectly. All right, it is time to get drilling. For those of you that might not feel so comfortable with the drill, start off with the pilot hole, then later you could change it out for a bigger bit. All right, so now that we have our pilot hole, it's time to do the real thing. Our first hole is done. We're gonna take off the tape and finally screw in our knobs. Now, sometimes the screw that comes with your knob could be a little big or a little too small. If that's the case, just take it down to Lowe's and they'll get you the right size. In our case, the screw is perfect. So now we're just gonna tighten our knob to our door. I'm gonna use a handheld screwdriver. Please do not use a drill to do this. You could potentially damage your cabinet. So just go ahead and use a handheld screwdriver. All right, we've done it. Our first knob is on. All right, we're moving on to drawers now. We're going to be installing a handle. It's the same exact process that we did with the knobs. The only thing that we're changing is the template. This is the drawer template, but this comes with the mounting template that we used earlier. So fast, easy, and efficient. Let's get to work. And we're done. Our knobs and handles are officially installed. They truly do elevate the look of the cabinet. Don't forget, if you want anything in this video, from knobs to handles to cabinets, you can do your own installation by getting all this stuff at a local Lowe's or on Lowes.com. And while you're there shopping, if you need any help, just reach out to a Lowe's Red Vest associate. They're there to assist you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section below what you want to see on the next How To Anything video.